Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I'm looking so funny right now with only one brow filled in, but that's because I'm going to be trying out this Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Brow Mascara that I have here in the shade 255 Soft Brown. So this is another product that I got in my Family Dollar huge makeup haul, and it cost me $6, which is not a bad price, it looks like, for this item. When I was looking it up online, you can get this at so many different places. Seems to be a very popular brow gel. At Ulta, it's $9. I use a brow gel every day. I like clear brow gels, I like tinted brow gels. It doesn't really matter to me. And so I'm excited to see how this is going to be at filling in my brow with nothing in it, and just how it is as a regular brow gel on top of a brow pencil, which is my usual way of filling in my brows every day. But so I am super picky with how my brows look and the products that I use, and I am obsessed with filling in my brows, so I'm so excited to try this product out. Let's first check out the wand. Oh, I like this. It's small, but it only has long bristles on one side. The other side has very short bristles. So this is interesting. It's a little bit like a comb. Okay, well, let's go ahead and apply it first to the brow without the pencil in it so we can see how this looks alone. So I'm just going to take the longer side and carefully brush it through. This does come in some other shades of brown. It also comes in a clear and a blonde, but they didn't have too many options at the Family Dollar that I went to. So initially I'm thinking this looks a little dark. I probably could have gone a shade lighter, maybe even gotten the blonde, but it's working like a mascara pretty much to add some volume and color to my brow hairs. I like it. It brushes through nicely. This is a good applicator. It coats all of the brow hairs without looking clumpy. Wow, that is such a great difference and improvement. If you're someone that doesn't fill in your brows, I still think throwing on a tinted brow gel can make such a difference, like you just saw here. But it's so easy and it looks natural. I just feel like all brows need a little something to them every day. I'm just so into filling in brows, and it's something I feel like I notice right away. But since I am so picky with how my brows look, I just don't love my natural shape to my brow, so that's why I use the pencil to get more of a precise shape. But if you didn't have to shape your brows anymore and you just wanted to put this brow gel on for a little volume, a little color, it would be such a great option. I wish I liked the natural shape of my brows enough to just wear this, because it really is an awesome product. Seriously, probably one of the easiest and most effective tinted brow gels that I've tried, because a lot of times they look too gloopy, too unnatural, and I almost would wear my brows like this alone. I say almost because I know that I'd still want to fill it in with the pencil and get a little bit more of a precise shape, but it really looks so good on its own. And I think it's dried down. Yeah, it has a great hold, but it's not crunchy, which is another thing I'm super picky about with my brow gels. Yay. Okay, now let's see how it is on top of the pencil to hopefully give some more volume and emphasize the brow hairs to make the brow look even more full and natural. Yeah, it is looking so good. It's just giving more definition, I feel like, or maybe some more dimension to my brow to make them look fuller. And since it has such a good hold, I love the formula as well. So I'm loving how it looks. Super easy to apply. Really like this wand. And I'm loving this formula. I am having no complaints. I'm so excited to have found a really good drugstore tinted brow gel because I love an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, a Benefit brow gel, but those are expensive. And for $6, I think this is a fantastic option. I'm loving how this brow looks. And this shade is going to work nicely with my brow pencil too, to slightly darken the brow hairs, make them a little bit more noticeable. So this is doing everything I was hoping for. I'm so happy with it, so impressed. I keep looking in the mirror here at my brows because they look so good, so real. And that's what I want for my brows, because even though I clearly make my brow look so different than how it naturally is without any product in it, I still don't want people to know that there's brow product in here. And I think this product is perfect for creating that illusion and that ideal brow hair. So if you have tried this out, let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. But if you haven't tried it out yet, I really do recommend trying this, especially for such a great, inexpensive drugstore option to get into brow gel, or just a really fun, good one to try if you already are into brow gels. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.